The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18.
Welcome back. You are watching Season 2 of The Changemakers on CNBC TV 18. Many urban and peri-urban communities in India lack access to adequate healthcare services. Recognizing this unmet need, an initiative in Mumbai is bringing healthcare right at the doorsteps of these communities so they can access government health facilities. Let's take a look at this inspiring story.
Established in 1999, the Society of Nutrition, Education and Health Action, Sneha was started by a group of doctors and social workers who believed that curative care in hospitals was not enough. They decided to go beyond the walls of the hospital to save more lives through prevention and education.
My first interaction, my first engagement with Sneha was as a volunteer, and I was taken for a site visit to a daycare center in Dharavi. At that time, Sneha was working on one of the largest urban malnutrition programs, where the objective was to reduce wasting, which is a form of acute malnutrition, in the slum of Dharavi. As I entered the slum and entered the daycare center, I was extremely disturbed by what I saw. There were children who were 2 years of age who could not sit up. The children were listless, and this was certainly not what I expected to see in a daycare center. I was then later surprised to learn that in a city like Mumbai and in a slum like Dharavi, which is just a stone's throw away from Bandra Kurla complex, one of the most advanced financial centers in the country, that there was prevalence of acute malnutrition of 18%. And that's what really made me decide that I wanted to get engaged with Sneha and start working with Sneha. Sneha adopts a two-pillar approach. On the one hand, we work with the most vulnerable communities to improve their health-seeking behavior, help them to access public health services, as well as to inform them of their rights, the government schemes, so they can access these schemes and government services.
The Sneha Centers program works in Mumbai's Mankhurd and Govandi areas. It targets 4 major areas of public health: maternal and newborn health, child health and nutrition, adolescent health and sexuality, and prevention of violence against women and children in an integrated manner in collaboration with public health systems and the community.
पुनीत में प्रॉब्लम ये था कि इसका वजन नहीं बढ़ता था.
My son Puneet was underweight. He was always tired. Earlier, he doesn't eat or drink anything apart from milk. Sneha Center volunteers Anjum and Shubhnagi came to me and told me that they will take care of Puneet and will provide treatment. They will let me know what to eat and what not to eat. So, on their advice, I have started giving these meals, food items to my son. Every month, I used to weigh my son, and slowly and steadily, his weight started increasing, and he became healthy.
सेहत भी अच्छी होती गई.
In these 20 years, Sneha has managed to assist 37,000 women in pregnancy and high-risk deliveries, prevented and treated malnutrition in 25,000 children less than 5 years of age. The Sneha Centers program helps pregnant women and works on the first 1,000 days of life concept. Their aim is to improve the nutritional status of married women at pre, during and post-conception and post-delivery, and also that of the newborn children and infants up to 6 years of age.
At GSK, our mission is to help people do more, feel better and live longer. We research, develop and manufacture pharmaceutical products and are committed to widening access to our products to fulfill our responsibility towards society. In India, GSK Pharma has partnered with Sneha Center at Janta Nagar in Mumbai to support the nutritional needs and health of women and children, particularly those in vulnerable communities and slums. As a part of this partnership, GSK and Sneha Center have covered more than 5,000 households, benefiting over 3,500 women and nearly 1,000 children. By supporting Sneha Center and government institutions, GSK aims to reduce stunting, wasting and anemia, protect children from preventable diseases and improve the maternal and reproductive health of young women. In less than 4 years, GSK and Sneha Center have doubled the number of children immunized from preventable diseases and reduced wasting by nearly 40% at Janta Nagar in Mumbai. These outcomes are just one of our many efforts to support healthcare outcomes across the world.
Sneha Centers is definitely an advantage to people living in communities that face multiple vulnerabilities. The center provides multiple services to community members who can access them and to one place itself.
We have different teams who are working from this community, and we provide umbrella services. So in case someone wants some help, information regarding maternal health, they can walk into the community center. Our team, our expert team members, they will be providing information about maternal and child information. Then we have violence center in this community center, wherein we have counselors, trained counselors. Those will be guiding to the case, the survivor of violence for the violence issues. We have adolescent program which also runs from this center, and the adolescent program officers, they conduct group sessions in this campus. During the pandemic, it was not very easy for Sneha to walk down in the community and continue our services as it is. So we were working virtually, and we are very thankful to the volunteers. Those are with us during this pandemic. So volunteers were providing ration packets to the vulnerable community. They were providing pamphlets to make them aware about the safety and precautions to follow in the pandemic. The volunteers were also helping us to notify the cases of violence so that we can help them over a call and we can refer them for different services.
During the pandemic, Sneha also initiated a virtual clinic to support pregnant women in the community and helped over 5,000 people by distributing ration kits and other essentials.
This Mumbai-based secular non-profit organization is trying its best to improve the quality of urban public health care so that the most vulnerable women and children can easily avail quality public health services. And on that note, it's time to take another short break right now. But on the other side, we bring you another change maker that's building a sustainable and progressive community through its CSR initiatives. Stay with us on CNBC TV 18.
The Changemakers Season 2 in association with CNBC TV 18.